Ladies and gentlemen, would you please welcome the President and CEO of Mitsubishi Motors Europe, Frank Kroll. Thank you very much, everybody.
Good evening, everyone, and welcome here in the sheds in Brussels. The past 3 years have seen the introduction of the ASX, Colt, and flagship Outlander PHEV, while earlier this year we premiered the all-new Grandis compact SUV. And today you are the first ones to see the all-new Grandis in its first public debut. Also today, we add yet another vehicle to the mix with the all-electric Eclipse Cross, completing our lineup and increasing our market coverage substantially. This next generation Eclipse Cross is a particularly important milestone. This highly advanced model is packed with the latest technology, not only incorporating the latest Mitsubishi Motors design language, but also integrating an all-electric powertrain. And Mitsubishi Motors is no stranger to battery electric vehicles, having pioneered the technology in the iMEV, the world's first electric vehicle from a major manufacturer to enter full series production back already in 2009. And there is no doubt that this strategic model has a leading role to play as we continue our journey towards electrification here in Europe, which remains a key region for Mitsubishi Motors worldwide. And I would like to ask Kato-san to explain more about it.
Thank you, Frank, and good evening, everybody. I'm very delighted to be here with you in Europe today. Environmental commitment is one of our highest priorities. Having developed the world's first mass-produced electric vehicle, the iMEV, Mitsubishi Motors considered it our mission to deliver environmentally friendly vehicles to the market. And we have been actively working towards achieving carbon neutrality. Against this backdrop, the introduction of the new Eclipse Cross symbolizes an important step in our efforts towards decarbonization and environmental responsibility. The compact SUV segment is the most popular in Europe, and with the rapid advancement in EV range and charging infrastructures, we fully believe that the all-electric Eclipse Cross is the right car at the right time. The next generation Eclipse Cross is the latest in Mitsubishi Motors' advanced design, and I will ask Matsuoka-san, Head of Design at our European Design Studio in Germany, to explain more. But first, let's take a look. Ladies and gentlemen, the next generation Eclipse Cross.
Thank you for your kind introduction, Kato-san. And good evening, everybody. The brief of the design team in Germany was to take fresh and modern interpretation of the Mitsubishi Motors design philosophy, focusing on robust and ingenious concept to match with model's advanced technology. We created what we call the smart armor concept, matching advanced and sophisticated smart EV design with an expression of the confidence, safety, and robustness by using armor-like design elements, which you see particularly on the front area of the new Eclipse Cross with a dynamic shield concept. The dynamic shield continues to be our symbol of the strength and the protection, and it new generation, the dynamic shield is seamlessly and structurally integrated with three-dimensionally surfaces, adding new depth and dimensionally providing a sense of the strength and sophistication. The rear side of the car was designed with concept of the hexagonal stability. The three-dimensional hexagon shape expresses Mitsubishi Motors' DNA. The horizontally configured LED lights delivered two design characteristics. They create drama and attraction at the same time, while also providing stability and strong posture. In the interior, the design team worked hard to bring new Eclipse Cross exterior character into the cabin space. The result is space that combines practicality with luxuriousness that optimize materials use and blends surface to the deliver refinement. Based in controllable natural light from the free-size electrochromic glass roof, passengers can effortlessly adjust opacity to match their mood. When night falls, LED ambient lights create a modern, high-tech atmosphere.
Thank you, Matsuoka-san, and congratulations on the fantastic new design. The Eclipse Cross will cater for diverse everyday needs. The long-range version available from launch with its 87-kilowatt battery delivers a driving range over 600 kilometers, balancing, of course, performance and energy efficiency. A second mid-range option will be available next year. The battery is linked to a high-efficient electric motor, which is capable of delivering 160 kilowatts of power and 300 Newton-meters of torque. And the new Eclipse Cross is designed to become a convenient part of the customer's life, and the ability to quickly and easily charge is critical. That is why the vehicle can be charged at home or at the street with an AC charging plug, as well as DC fast charging up to 150 kilowatts using the CCS socket. And thanks to the Google built-in, the best ecosystem of apps and services is instantly accessible to users. The new Eclipse Cross harnesses the very best of safety, convenience and comfort features to deliver a vehicle ready for any scenario. It offers passive protection, a comprehensive suite of up to 20 advanced driver assistance systems on board, and the latest traction battery safety functionality. And the next generation Eclipse Cross is backed by Mitsubishi service commitment, giving customers mindful confidence in the product. The 5-year or 100,000 kilometers factory warranty, plus an additional 3 years of extended conditional warranty coverage provides a total of 8 years or 160,000 kilometers warranty coverage. And that also applies to the traction battery. Plus, you are covered by an 8-year roadside Mitsubishi assistant package. So, let me conclude. It is an important milestone for the brand, a highly advanced electric vehicle packed with the latest technology, incorporating the latest Mitsubishi Motors design language. And as Kato-san mentioned, it's the right model at the right time at the European market. Thank you very much and have a very good evening.
Drive your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors.